Hello my dear viewers, it's DIY craft videos. In this video, once again I am going to show you crochet flowers, easy to make. These are very different designs and very different ideas. 40 plus easy crochet flowers for beginners, try to make. In this video you will see different crochet flowers you can easily make at home. We are rounded up our free crochet patterns for flowers for reviewing and making pleasure. Crochet flowers need not explain themselves. We know they are beautiful, versatile and look pretty darn glam as wedding bouquets. So the next time someone asks you why you had want to make crochet, in this video you will see pretty crochet flower paper clips, spring crochet daffodil garlands, wedding bouquets, spring crochet mini flowers, crochet palmerias. In my next video I will show you some crochet jewelry designs and many other designs, crowns, jewelries and coasters, mini crochet flower garlands, crochet roses, many other designs I will show you in my next video. So don't go anywhere guys, keep supporting me and keep watching my videos. If you like my video then press the like button and share my videos as much as you can. I really hope that you will like my information and like my video. So guys, wait for my next video. मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप लोगों के लिए मज़ीद डिज़ाइंस लेके आऊँगी. इसमें आप लोगों को वासेस स्टाइल्स मिलेंगे, flowers, roses, sunflowers and many other designs you will see in this video. For now, take care of yourself. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos with others. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Do remember me in your prayers.